Hello everybody, I'm Ramon Polo from Ramon Polo Marketing. Here's the video crew right here, Clay, Alec. We're gonna talk about some questions, and we're gonna be showing you the equipment that they use on a daily basis, how it can benefit your business, any business in California, because these guys are very passionate, I can see. So how long have you been doing this? You've been doing this for a while, right?
Yeah, we've been doing it for a couple of years now. We've really been honing our skills during 2018 and getting more polished products out there, and I'm very excited to see what we can bring to other people's projects.
If there's a business owner right now watching us, what's the main thing, the basic thing that you guys can do for as many businesses as possible?
We believe that one of the key elements to assisting your business or your ventures is getting as close as we can to kind of nailing the vision you're seeing in your mind with our editing, our camera styles, our techniques, and the quality equipment that we bring to the table.
I believe we could bring a lot to businesses around the country just with our 4K ability to record in. We have a full frame look. We have the ability to make things look larger than life on camera, so that goes with real estate, commercials, all sorts of advertising. We have a handheld gimbal system, which is very nice for smooth shots. We also have a steady cam that we can use to get some nice, tight, natural looking shots. We have a drone, so we have aerial photography videography kind of set there. We can fly pretty much anywhere as long as it's not near an airport.
Yeah.
So we can capture anything from above, get some really cinematic, nice side shots. I mean, the possibilities are pretty much endless. It all depends on what you guys out there would like to see from us.
The drone, I think the drone is important nowadays, especially with social media. You need to get people's attention right away.
And some of the other types of equipment that we provide are a Rode VideoMic Pro Plus microphone, which will capture that perfect audio that you need.
We also have a slider, which enables us to do some more depth of field shots, panning or pushing or pulling in to a shot or around the product, as well as several types of green screens, including a black background, a smaller portrait-sized green screen, as well as a larger 10-foot by 20-foot green screen for any larger green screen scenes you may want. In addition to lighting, as you can see, for those types of shots.
Clay, Alec, thank you very much. This was a pleasure. I learned a lot from this. I'm pretty sure you learned a few things as well. So I highly recommend these guys. If you need video production, contact me. There's the information right below this video. You can just fill out the form, a questionnaire about what problems and what goals you have in your business. So nothing to lose. Contact us, and I'll see you on the other side.